Welcome back to Titan Tech. Today, we're diving into some wild trucking fails and jaw-dropping heavy haul moments. Buckle up. These clips will have you on the edge of your seat. Now that is how you send a set of tires off in style. Absolute smoke show. Whoa, not only did the crane tip, but the whole power line went down too. That's like failing a test and setting the school on fire at the same time. A 210-ton substructure transport requires multi-axle hydraulic trailers to distribute weight evenly. Key considerations include load-bearing capacity of bridges, ground pressure limits, and torque management for inclines and descents. Hanging off a bridge like that is nightmare fuel. Huge respect to the rescue team for pulling off such a high-risk save. This could have ended so much worse. That's some pro-level driving right there. No panic, no overcorrection, just pure instinct and skill. This guy deserves way more than a medal. If a truck ahead suddenly swerves, don't just assume they're bad at driving. The Senbogen 735E, with an operational weight of 43.9 tons and a reach of 11.3 meters, requires specialized transport solutions. Using the Volvo FH16, equipped for heavy loads, ensures efficient border crossing and unloading at Fiverholz-Leden. That truck driver just dropped a little free sample on the highway, but let's be real. This is a serious reminder to secure your load properly. A falling car isn't just scrap metal, it's a deadly hazard for everyone on the road. Crane operation isn't just about pulling levers. It's a skill that requires proper training. Physics, weight distribution, and safety all come into play. Hopefully, they rethink their approach before giving it another shot. Here we go, folks. Watch as SDTE and Sarens tackle the massive task of moving 4 giant brewery tanks with pinpoint precision. It's crazy how huge these things are. Seeing them lifted and transported really highlights the logistics behind getting beer from the brewery to our glasses. Big cheers to the crew making it all happen. One second, you're a big, tough truck, and the next, you're being carried like a toddler who refused to leave the toy aisle. A truck crane lifting 40 tons of cement must be fully stabilized. Here, one side's support legs weren't extended, creating a serious risk. A snapped wire could tip the crane backward. Safety always comes first in heavy lifting. The Caterpillar 385C, a 90-ton powerhouse, requires precise loading and securing techniques. Proper weight distribution and tie-down points are essential to ensure stability during transport. Well handled by the Soteriatis/Labrionitis team. Respect to that excavator operator. Keeping control when the back wheels lift off takes real skill. That's a tough situation, and I'd bet their heart skipped a beat for sure. This test lacks validity. The truck's traction depends on load distribution. With an empty bed, the drive wheels lose grip. A fully loaded truck would shift the balance, increasing rear axle traction and likely overpowering the Land Cruiser. The Terex Demag AC 500-2, a powerhouse in heavy lifting, is seen here skillfully maneuvering into position with a 60-ton counterweight. Designed for extreme loads, its advanced hydraulic system ensures stability and precision even in tight spaces. Now that's one determined machine. Meant to be the rescuer, but ended up needing a rescue. Moving an oversized load through city streets takes precise coordination, skilled drivers, and meticulous route planning. The DAF XF and its logistics team are handling it flawlessly, ensuring everything runs smoothly. Well executed. Uncle's truck took lift mode a little too seriously. Hope he's okay. What a wild ride. Pollock's 12-line ESS modular platform trailer showcases cutting-edge transport tech. Configured 2x4x8 with bolsters, it hauls a 24-meter crane tower section over 110 kilometers with precision. Features like remote steering and manual steer mode optimize efficiency and safety.
Go on, get it up. I wondered how they're going to fucking hold that in place while they put other one on top. Put wraps around it. Whoa! Yeah! Whoa! Whoa! That's good on you, bit of paper. I seen him run.
No guardrails, steep cliffs, a massive load. The Srinagar-Leh highway is not for the faint-hearted. These drivers need absolute control and laser focus to navigate one of the world's most dangerous roads. A burning haul truck is no joke. Those tires hold thousands of liters of air. One good pop, and those guys are in serious trouble. And standing there without gear, this is how not to fight a fire. Crane operations are all about planning, weight distribution, ground stability, wind conditions. This accident was costly, but let's hope it's a lesson for better site management in the future. My shift's over, I'm heading home. In a project for Griro, Ruby & Company successfully delivered massive equipment to Port Constanta. This achievement underscores the importance of teamwork, advanced planning, and the right tools to handle such challenging tasks.
Esse vídeo aí, pessoal, beleza? Que tá assistindo aí, dá cliquezinho no like aí, pra tá nos ajudando aí, nos incentivando aí
Imagine standing nearby and suddenly seeing a line of massive Volvo FH trucks rolling down from the ferry. It's like watching an army of giants calmly stepping onto land. What a sight.
Só na lenta, hein?
That was a crazy ride. Which clip left you speechless? Tell us below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more action-packed videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.